Hello everyone, I'm your host Dr. Lillian, and today we are privileged to have Dr. Samuel in our studio, who is a microbiologist. Kindly introduce yourself.
Thank you very much, Madam Lydian, for this invitation. I'm very privileged and happy to be here today.
So today we are going to talk about microbiology. Kindly tell us more about microbiology. What is microbiology?
Thank you very much for that question, Madam Yosei Wafula.
Yes.
Uh, According to me, microbiology is the study of microorganisms. Yeah,
Okay, what about the branches of microbiology? Do we have any branches of microbiology?
yeah. Basically, when you're talking about microbiology, we are basing on several aspects. We are talking about microorganisms, which include viruses. And in viruses, we study in a branch called virology.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have the study of bacteria, that is it, bacteriology.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have also protozoology, is the study of protozoa, and you also have the study of prions and whatever and what have you. Yeah, to mention a few.
What about the types of microbiology? Can you name them?
Types of microbiology, we are having uh, types of microbiology, we are having types of
Microorganism.
microorganisms. As you mentioned that we have having bacteria,
Yes.
yeah, which is studied a branch called bacteriology. We have viruses, virology. We have protozoans. We have also that's in protozoology. We have also algae, the study of algae. No, no, the science, but the study of algae. Yeah, we have the study of algae
Then
and
we
fungus.
have the laboratory safety rules. Can you name them?
Basically, when you talk about laboratory
Mm.
safety rules, you know, there are so many people who violate these rules, and actually, they are very important. These are the procedures that should be followed in order to ensure that the workspace in the laboratory is well managed. So, for example, I will just mention a few, like three rules in the laboratory. Like number one, you should put on PPEs. PPE stand for personal protective equipment always.
Can you name some of the PPEs?
Yes. So some of the PPEs, the personal protective equipment, include we have lab coats, like this one you're putting on. That's very
Yes.
nice. We are also having goggles, eye goggles. Can use the goggles, the machoine. Yeah.
Yes.
We can have the safety boots. You can have the hand gloves, the gloves, and the masks and whatever. So there are so many.
There are so many.
Yeah.
What, like, can you name other laboratory rules apart from the PPEs?
So apart from putting on PPEs,
Uh-huh.
we have that you should not eat anything while in the laboratory.
Why?
This is basically because, you know, when you are eating, let me say you have carried your mandazi at
Yes.
home and you are carrying a practical, you find yourself, you have placed your mandazi on the bench top. So there is high risk of being contaminated by microorganisms. You see? So if these microorganisms contaminate this mandazi you eat, and once you eat, what is the repercussion, the outcome? You get sick or you become poisoned. Yeah.
Other laboratory safety.
So other safety, other rules is that you should not carry out unauthorized practical while in laboratories. Another one, you ensure that there is proper ventilation. Always open all doors and windows when you are conducting laboratory practicals for microbiology. And then this last but not the least, I mentioned because of time also, running out of time, you ensure that you switch off all sources of electricity, like the Bunsen burner, you put off, sockets, and all the machines that after use, ensure that you turn them where they are supposed to be.
Okay, and how do we carry a microscope?
Oh, so basically, when you are transporting a microscope, there are some techniques that you are supposed to employ, like you have to carry the microscope, assuming this is your microscope here. You don't carry it like the way you carry your baby and put on the back. So if this is your microscope, this is the upper part, this is the lower part. You ensure that you carry one hand should be at the base, and the another hand should be, you should be holding the arm of the microscope. Then you take it to the place where you store it safely. Yes.
Yes, and what can you advise those students who have finished Form 4 and they want to join science? Is a microbiology a good course or not?
Actually, for those uh, trainees, people outside there, I would advise them to enter into this system, because microbiology is very important in any diagnostic of any infection. Microbiology is very important. So there are so many areas in the sectors, in the production, food production industries, the diagnostic industries, where these manpower, microscopic manpower is very important. So I'm calling them to come in and be microbiologists.
Thank you for coming.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm very pleased to be with you, madam.
Mhm.
Then we welcome you any other day.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much.